Anywho's, hey, I finally got this wrapped up after repairing things from the low crawler. You know, I just had to have but I had left the battery out, the solar panel, and one of the chargers right here, easy to grab, because this has serial numbers, is the reason why I think they just went ahead and cut the wires. And the 220 accommodated this wiring, and it's the only way I can think of to pull this off so I could pull the motor off for security purposes. And you know, we got the controller over here with I put a switch in here to turn it on and off, and the battery's sitting in here now with a solar panel in the front. And I covered this up yesterday, the solar panel, and it still pulled, you know, was charging, feeding into the system 13.2 volts or something like that, with it even covered up in the evening. So very efficient. You know, just a couple more things to do. Replace this, because it's such a pain to actually hold the lever and uncrank it and crank it. You know, and it'll come up a little higher. But other than that, I'm ready to go fishing tomorrow. You know, get the outboard back on here, and gas in here, and my tackle loaded up. And by golly, I've been waiting, and I can't wait to get out there. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, I'm going to try to be posting more stuff about fishing, and I'm going to reload all the work I did to the Jeep on my YouTube Tanker's Mentality channel, so you can look that up. I'm not sure if I have videos on there or not, because nobody was really looking at them, so I pulled them off. You know, I get discouraged and I do stupid things like that, so I get to reload them. But anyways, take care. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please leave a comment.